Boom, what's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Rory reporting back from the 340, man. As y'all boys can tell, we are indeed mic'd up today. Hopefully it's not too loud, but still though. I got like backup audio from my camera anyways. But yeah, man, as y'all boys can tell by the title and thumbnail, I'm basically be putting y'all on game today. Let y'all know all y'all need to be out here gapping Hellcats and stuff. But enough of that. I'm gonna give y'all boys a cold start right quick. Haven't dropped a video in a while. It's been like a month. But I don't know if my last video if I said it, but thank y'all boys so much for 10K views on one of my POV drives. That junk was crazy. Didn't expect that to happen, to be honest with you. But let's get into it. Get this cold start going, man. Try to get closer to it with the mic. Hopefully y'all boys can hear. Sound pretty valid. I'm gonna talk about that too. That's another mod y'all boys might want to get. Honorable mention. But yeah, I'm about to go find a spot to pull up and talk to y'all boys. I don't want to just sit in front of my freaking driveway. So I'm about to hop in the whip right quick. And yeah, man, we gonna get straight into it, man. Been a little minute since your boy done recorded a banger, bro, but we back. It's cold out here. They're out 33 degrees. One of the warmer days, bro, in upstate, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's been cold, bro. One of the warmer days out here. So I had to hop outside and record for y'all right quick. Oh, no, turn that off. I was connected to my phone, connected to the thing. The whip, man, what's up? But yeah, one of the warmer days out here, so warmer. You see that? Yeah, nah, it's bad. But hey, man, we're back. It's been a month since I uploaded. I don't know what's going on, bro. It's been a lot going on lately. Not gonna lie to y'all boys. Been a lot going on in life lately, but I'm back, bro. I'm weekly uploads, one video a week. You know what I'm saying? I'm sticking to that. And man, if y'all boys watching so far into the video, make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs by the end of, what is that, March? 1,000 subs by the end of March, bro, would be great, bro. If we can do 4,000 watch hours, I do have to upload more consistently, obviously. You know what I'm saying? Your boy's trying to get, what do they call it, partnered on YouTube? But yeah, I'm trying to lock in this year. Got so much stuff planned for this whip. But today I'm basically about to give you all a basic rundown on what you need performance-wise. Like, it's really only 5 things that you need to be like making a good amount of horsepower, especially if this is gonna be your first fast car or your first BMW, bro. This platform is great, and you really only need 5 things. 5 things. So with that being said, I'm about to go find the spot and I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna put y'all boys on sauce today. Y'all can share this video to one of y'all friends if they got this car. If you don't got this car, but you know your friend got a 340 Gen 1, Gen 2. Gen 2 is basically the same thing, bro. Except on the Gen 2, they already come with like a good fuel pump, so you don't really need one. But we're gonna get into that later in the video. But yeah, send this to one of your friends if you don't got a 340 or a B58 car. Regardless, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in a second when I find a nice little spot to chat it up with y'all. All right, boys, we are back. Found a spot. It's a little spot by Seabreeze. If you know where I am, you know, if you're upstate. But anywho, man, found a little spot. We're back. We're just gonna jump straight into it because I know y'all boys are probably watching this video like, yo, I'm ready to mod the whip, bro. What should I get? What should I start out with? I just got this car. I don't know what to get. So boom, jumping into it. We're gonna start off with the infamous, let me pop the hood even though it's snowing. We're gonna start out with the infamous downpipe, man. You know what they say about these BMWs. Downpipe tune, and it's definitely true, bro. Oh, hold on. Got a little something on the camera. You know what they say, bro. Downpipe tune, man. Right down there, I got a VRSF downpipe, man. One of the first mods I put on this car, the VRSF downpipe. With that, you basically can go stage 2 instantly. As soon as you get your downpipe on, bro, and you can basically go stage 2. So downpipe, you don't have to go stage 2 instantly. You can just run a downpipe. You are gonna have a check engine light, but it's gonna make your car sound way better, even with just the regular stock exhaust. Even if you don't have the M Performance exhaust, it's gonna make the car sound way better than stock for sure. But if you do want to obviously go faster, you can go stage one. I mean, you can go stage one with the downpipe. Actually, you can go stage one, no downpipe. You can go stage one just as soon as you get the car. But if you do want more power, that leads me into the second mod, which is MHD. I don't know if you would consider that a mod. It is like a tuning software for like BMWs. But after you get that downpipe, you can get MHD. And what that basically does is it unlocks the full potential of your car, bro. Like when you buy these cars, BMW doesn't sell them at like their full potential, bro, because like emissions and all that stuff. But once you get a downpipe from wherever you want, right now I got the VRSF. I know Bimmer Network has a valid downpipe, or you know, if you can't afford it, Alibaba is the thing now, bro. So you can probably get a downpipe off Alibaba or something for like $50, $100. So yeah, after a downpipe, number 2 mod, you want to go MHD. What MHD basically does is just tune the car. On the you can get like a little adapter if you want, or if your friend has one, just borrow one, and you just tune the car, and that basically unlocks its full potential, bro. Right there, you go stage 2. I don't know specific numbers, you'd have to look it up, but stage 2 makes a car, bro, crazy, bro, crazy. If you've never had a fast car like me, bro, like before this car, I had like my first car was like a Nissan Altima 2011, bro. Then I had a Mark IV Jetta I was learning how to drive manual on. Then I got this, and bro, different ball game. But yeah, number 2 mod, I'll say MHD for tuning. That's all, really all you need are those two mods is downpipe and MHD, and you're good. You're chilling. But I'm gonna put y'all boys on game. If y'all want to beat Hellcats, and if y'all want to be really like, you know what I'm saying, fast without having to like get a new upgraded turbo and all that stuff, this is what you do. Boom. Right here, I got this Arcade Tunes front mount intake. You can get whatever intake you want. MST, Alibaba, wherever, Bimmer Network, wherever you want to get an intake, you get it from. Boom. What that does is give the car more airflow, obviously, to make it breathe better, bro. Duh. And then after that, y'all want some real game. After you do that, there's the stage 2 B58s. They come with this this TU pump, right? I'm putting y'all on game right now. We got to gatekeep this. This RSB58 boys, we got to gatekeep this. I'm putting y'all on game. The Gen 2 B58 comes with a TU pump. And if you know ball, you know that with the TU pump, you get to run up to E50. So what you can do is you can find it off of a used Gen 2, or you can buy it new, however much, whatever you want to do. I got mines from, where'd I get it? I got mines from Rock Auto. That's another, I'm putting y'all on game. If you go on Rock Auto and you look up the part number for the TU pump, B58 TU pump, you get it for like $300 instead of $500, bro. Putting y'all on game. Once you get that, so downpipe, TU pump, intake, and MHD, right there alone. If you got E85 in your area, what you do is you mix the E85 with 93. You get to like, I think MHD has like an E40 map, bro. On E40, these things are beating Hellcats, bro. Don't argue with me, bro. Argue with your mom, bro. I'm telling you, these things are beating, you can beat any regular car in your city, bro. Any kid come up to you, oh, I'm gapping that. Sleeper, look at my car, bro. You look at this car, you're like, bro, this kid's not beating the Hellcat. This junker's slow. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's a sleeper build. And if you want to go even crazier, there's this thing called XHP for these BMWs. And what you can do is you can do a transmission tune, bro. Whole different ball game. Like stage 2 plus is cool with the E40, but you get a transmission tune, whole different ball game, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna put in some clips of my intake if y'all want to hear that. I don't really have any before and after, before I did the downpipe, because like I was in a rush. I got this car, bro. I was just so excited to mod it. I got a couple videos up on my channel of some stuff I did, but I was just excited, bro. Who wouldn't be excited, bro? First BMW, first car you can really work on, first car you can really mod, first car you can do crazy stuff to. It's like, who wouldn't be excited? So yeah, I really jumped straight into it and I modded it. But let's review. First mod, you want to go Downpipe. Downpipe makes it flow way better because like catalytic converter is like, it's resisting, bro. It's like all the emission stuff, trash. Anywho, you get a downpipe, it's gonna make the car flow way better. So first mod you wanna do when you get one of these, downpipe. Boom, after you get a downpipe, you can run it like that for a while if you want, you know what I'm saying? It sounds great, even with the stock exhaust. But after that, you wanna get MHD. Make sure you have a unlocked DME though, because mine's a 2016 and it came unlocked. I know some of the later years, like the 2018, they come locked, so you just want to check to make sure and then unlock it. So once you unlock it, you go MHD. You can go straight to stage 2, which I think they say it makes around 400 wheel horsepower, something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments if you know a little bit more than me. But I think they say it makes around 400 wheel. Just on a downpipe and a tune, bro. It's crazy. You don't need nothing else. All the other mods are literally like recommendations, bro. You don't need nothing else. Boom, after you go downpipe tune, you can go intake. Make the car breathe better since you're making more power now. Personally, I went with the front mount because it sounds crazy. I'm gonna input a clip right now for y'all boys. Sounds insane. So yeah, front mount, you can go MHT, you can go box intake, the ones that are in the car. I didn't really want to do that. If I was going to spend money on the intake, I want people to see it. I wanted it to sound great. Boom, so what's that? We got downpipe, tune, intake, make the car breathe better. Then if you really want to, you know what I'm saying? You want to put B to A, you want to gap Hellcats, bro. You go TU pump. I think TU pump, they say it ranges when you go on E40, E50, depending on tuning software you got, MHD or boot mod. I personally got MHD. I don't know much about boot mod. You can make 450 to 500 wheel just on those basic mods, and it's crazy, bro. Then after that, you're making 450 now. It's probably gonna feel a little lazy with the shifting, so you go XHP, bro. XHP, if you don't know what that is, game changer, bro. Makes it shift so much faster. Like I raced my boy with without his car, same mod, same exact mods, intake, downpipe, TU pump, all that stuff, same mods. Race him without, he doesn't have XHP, I do. Bro, I'm putting belt to ass, bro. I'm literally beating him just off a transmission tune. It's crazy. So you want to get the transmission tune. Then after that, you know what I'm saying, if you got some spare money, extra bread, you know what I'm saying, you can get an exhaust. Right now, I got a Valvetronic exhaust. Let me actually put it in sport so it opens up my valves. You can hear it a little better. Still a little quiet, but yeah, I got the Valvetronic exhaust. I'm gonna input a little clip of me revving it up and stuff. I got a couple videos. But yeah, you can get an exhaust to make the car flow, the exhaust gases and stuff flow better with the downpipe and everything like that. And right there, bro, all you need, bro, and you'll be doing Hellcats dirty. Literally all you need to do Hellcats dirty. So if y'all boys want some more ball knowledge, make sure you stay tuned, stay subscribed to the channel. I've had my fun with the Stage 2 Plus. And as you guys can see, it's winter now. But summer is right around the corner. And I'm planning on going big single, chat. Yes, big single. Right now, I don't know when I'm gonna get done. I want to have everything done by June because I do have a lot going on momentarily. I'm planning to move apartments and stuff, so I can't do all that stuff right now. But by June, best believe this 340 will have a top mount, manifold, fuel pump, motor reflex, all the good stuff. So stay tuned, and then I'm gonna put you guys on game what you can do after you get tired of Stage 2, bro. If you don't want to be stock Hellcats no more and you want to be tuned Hellcats and you want to be, you know what I'm saying, you want to keep up with G80s and M2s and all that stuff, I'm gonna put y'all on game, bro. Stay tuned. You don't even gotta go big turbo, pure 800 and you good. But I'm gonna put y'all on. That's for a different video. If y'all want to see more, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Show your boy some love. Road to 1,000 subscribers. We grinding this year. But yeah, I just had to come on here, show y'all boys some game right quick. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Plenty of more bangers coming for y'all boys. I love y'all boys. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Peace out.
Gonna call it through my payphone. I need peace, I hate hoes. I try to vibe with you, you roll up and say, whoa. I don't need no drugs, no smoke away to fill my angels. I don't see no fun to smoke away until my day goes. So